I came to see Dr. Ferguson Natural Health Clinic to explain to you.
What was you suffering with? What was the problem? You had a meniscal tear in your right knee. Isn't that right? And what did the hospital say they wanted to do?
When I went to the hospital, they said the knee had to be cut off because
they wanted to replace your knee.
Yeah, because there's nothing they could do because the knee is damaged. They
say the knee's damaged and they wanted to replace your knee, yeah?
So I had to go for an operation. So they're going to operate the knee.
They were going to operate on your knee. All right, then you came to the clinic, and you did the full body MOT, and then since you've been doing the program, how's your knee now?
My knee now it's better.
It's a lot better, yeah.
I feel more relaxed. I'm more
stronger,
relaxed,
yeah.
Stronger, happy person.
Okay, great. And then your blood pressure was high. It was very high when you came. It was 164 over 66. What about today? We measured it again today after the program.
The blood pressure has gone down. It's no more like a 136.
Yeah, 130, 35. Yes, it's gone down to normal. Yeah, normal. And then your Raynaud's disease. You had Raynaud's disease whereby your fingers go blue. So what about now? How's your circulation now?
Yeah, every morning when I wake up in the morning, I do some more.
Yeah. So how is it? Was it better than before or not?
It's better than before. It's the problem.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So did you take the vitamins and do the program and everything that I gave you?
I did the vitamins.
Yeah. So would you encourage someone else to do the program that you did at the full body MOT?
In front of my heart, I'll cut anybody who really think that it's that of himself to come to the full MOT. Because the MOT, I think he has made me to be someone today.
Yeah, it made you a better person as well.
Better person, because before I didn't know what I was doing.
Yes.
But I come to see Dr. Ferguson, I know what's life.
You didn't understand what you was doing in life, but now you know what life is.
I know what life is. I know what how to be careful with.
Yes.
I know what how to do, what I should not do.
You know what to do. You know what to do. To lead your life properly. Yeah.
Yes. You live only once.
You only live once. Yeah. So would you say it's one of the best things you've ever done in your life?
It's one of the best I've ever done. Honestly, one of the best, because today I know what to eat, what to eat, what to not to do,
and how to live your life.
How to live my life. That's the most important thing.
All right then. Thanks very much.